So you want to be a professional trader, but you're tired of failing challenge after challenge. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it can be and how fast it can be to pass your very first prop firm challenge, or maybe you're already funded, but want a more profitable, consistent way to bring in cash every single day for your family and your life. So what we have open on the chart here is Oasis AI. This is our AI-based trading algorithm that I developed to beat every single prop firm challenge that it took. And what you're looking at here was forged with literally tears, and I didn't get to the point of blood, but honestly, I know how it is as a failing trader, failing 20, 25, 30 challenges myself. I'd have to go back and get you guys exact numbers, but after failing 15, 20 challenges, passing some here and there, and then getting, prop firm accounts shut down when funding talent shut down and my funded FX, what I decided to do instead was to find a strategy and a way to pass every single prop firm challenge. And what you're looking at is the top trading strategy in the world for passing prop firm challenges. So if we're looking at the top here, these are our buy and sell orders. Now what's happening is every single time that Oasis AI detects hidden momentum coming into the market, there's a good chance there's about to be a trend shift, and they'll enter if our other indicators are lining up as well. So since we're able to detect the hidden momentum in the market where the big players are coming in and buying up big volumes at once, we're able to catch the very beginning of trends. Like as you can see right here, we caught the very beginning of this trend. We're coming up to this level, testing it up and down, and then the momentum hits, enter, and the AI was able to get right out when momentum changed, when sales started coming in at resistance levels. So using AI, we're able to trade automatically, and this works even if you don't know how to trade. It's the easiest, fastest way to pass your challenge. I mean, if we look at the max drawdown here, we got a 4.26% max drawdown with a gain of 361% in a year, and that's with commission. Look, I'll show you guys. So we got a 100K account. So let's say you're trading an 100K prop firm account, which this is designed for, and our guarantee covers a 100K account. So we're gonna get you funded with a 100K account or your money back if you end up working with us using Oasis AI. But we have commission here. We can even increase this if you guys don't believe me. Put it to 0.7 so you guys can see, even with a 0.7 commission on crypto, where this thing is still gonna be kill, buy and hold, destroy it. Okay, so even with a 0.7 commission, our drawdown is just a tiny bit bigger. You still wouldn't have hit any of your drawdowns at a one-step prop firm or a futures prop firm that has 6% trailing drawdown, which is what I designed this for. And then over here, we have our net profit of 298%. So that is with increased commission, but a lot of the prop firms have a 0.04% commission. So check that out. A 300% gain, 4% drawdown, would have never failed. Beat Ethereum buy and hold by like 3x. All right, it's over a year. I'll show you guys a 2-year, and then also what we can do month by month or day by day, so you can see the proof. Test me on this. I have all the proof you want. If there's any haters out there, comment. We'll give as much proof as you want. This strategy right now is, I'm sure there's strategies out there that do better than this one by like a tiny margin, but this strategy is a top strategy in the world I've ever seen or found. And I've tested hundreds of different strategies. I've looked at hundreds of top traders' P&Ls, and honestly, nothing comes close to Oasis AI. You just can't. A human can't do what AI can do when it's trading. It can't move quick enough, recognize trends quick enough. It can't do it. So it's not possible. If you're a manual trader and you think you can beat Oasis AI, let's do a challenge. We'll do a 1 month duel or a 1 year duel. We'll put real money into accounts. But Oasis AI is the best thing that's out there in the game right now. So 2022, let's do this. All right, so we got on the 2 year at 0.4 still, I believe. Gave us a $1.2 million gain from 100K. Profit factor over 2. Percent profitable, 45%. Which this doesn't really matter because we still have a massive casino edge with a 45% odds and a 2 profit factor over 3,711 trades. And as you can see, the buy and hold equity compared to using Oasis AI, even on Ethereum for the last 2 years, I mean, it's like if you were just to have held Ethereum, then basically your profits are non-existent compared to us that are using Oasis AI. So I'm not saying don't buy and hold crypto. I put like a lot of money into crypto investments because there's only so much you can trade with safely before investing makes more sense. But we're using prop firms and day trading as a cash flow business to make an extra anywhere from 5 to 100K a month to put into other companies and businesses or investments that you want to get into. So what could you do right now if you had 100K extra put into crypto? I mean, even if you took Alex Becker's top picks right now that everyone's buying, like you could turn 100K into $1 million. So let's start thinking about multiplication and not in linear ways. Would you rather have this buy and hold blue line or trade a super safe, easy, fast AI bot that, I mean, this is over 2 years, max drawdown 5%. So still in over 2 years would have never failed one prop firm challenge that had a trailing drawdown. So if you have an 8 to 10% drawdown, I mean, you really have nothing to worry about at all. But I designed this to pass one-step challenges so we can make money fast. So we get funded in 10 days or less, and then get our first payout 10 days after that. So this system, I mean, you can literally make your money back and more than that in your first 30 days if you follow all of the rules we have set out. And the rules are very simple, very easy to follow. So anyone can do this. It doesn't matter if you've never traded in your life or if you're a multimillionaire with a third home on the beach. Anyone can do this, and so can you. But one of the big reasons why traders don't pass prop firm challenges is because they're going in not prepared. You've probably gone into a ton of your challenges just like I have, having strategies that maybe are half-baked or you back-tested across 50 trades. Have you ever back-tested a strategy for 3,000 plus trades? Testing a strategy 100 times isn't enough, to be honest. Like, I would not feel comfortable if this only had 100 total closed trades. I've tested strategies that were really profitable over 100 trades, but blew up over 1,000 trades. So if you are manually trading and testing manually without using code or AI, then you need to do at least 1,000 trades, probably 2,000 trades before you have a system that you can be confident in and sleep at night knowing you have a casino edge. So once you actually do the work in the hundreds, if not 1,000 hours of back testing to find that strategy, then you're going to fail. The dudes are making all the money from prop firms and all the money trading crypto. Like one guy, Paul Tudor Jones, made $500 million in a day. Do you think he did that by just some random chance strategy you found in YouTube from ICT and tested a order block 50 times and then started putting massive amounts of money on the line? No. He was back testing different patterns every single day and finding new edges in the market every single day, and he loved doing that. So that's the heart you need and the desire you need to succeed as a trader. But we made it as easy as possible so that someone like my brother who doesn't know how to trade, or my dad, who isn't a day trader, could use something like this and make a ton of money. So It's going to work for you too if you follow the rules. We do have a guarantee, but honestly, the guarantee is kind of just there to make people feel more comfortable when we're starting out. So far, the bot has 100% pass rate on challenges. I'm not saying it's going to stay at 100%, but using AI right now, it's passed every single challenge we've attempted. And doing that while I'm not even trading. As a matter of fact, I was in Montana last week for a week, snowboarding while Oasis AI was trading for 3 days and passed half of a 50K one-step challenge with my funded FX, which I showed in the super long live stream in my last video. So if you want more details or just dive into a longer video where you can really see how Oasis AI works in real time, going in and out of trades without us pressing any buttons or having to even be at a computer. But yeah, we're going to be doing live streams every day, so make sure to subscribe and like. And we're going to be releasing the pre-sale of Oasis AI very soon, so you can't get in now. But click the links in the description below to get more information. And we're going to be letting 100 people into the pre-sale at 50% off. You're never going to get that price again. So we are going to start the price at $2,500 a year for your license. And your license is going to be owned as an NFT on the blockchain. So if they go up in value, then you would be able to cash out, or if you ever want to change up what you're doing, then you can get cash out of your license. So the first season of licenses, we're going to do something pretty interesting as well that's never been done before in the crypto space. So we're going to combine the trading bot with a profit sharing model for the later seasons of licenses that we sell out. So the first 1,000 licenses that we sell out are going to have a profit sharing capacity in them, baked into them. We're still working with our lawyers to hash everything out to make sure it's legal with US residents, but the main offer is getting you access to Oasis AI, where your ownership is going to be owned by your license on the blockchain, which, like I said, you can transfer or sell on OpenSea when they go up in value. But the profit sharing aspect is going to look something like you would get a profit share off of the second and third season licenses, where our company is making monthly fiat reoccurring revenue off of the season 2 and season 3 holders. So the season 1 licenses are going to be an opportunity of a lifetime to not only make 100K plus trading in a year and become a professional funded prop firm trader, but also to have a profit share in one of the biggest trending markets in 2024, which is AI and crypto. It's an opportunity of a lifetime. It's $1 million opportunity. And as the company's revenues grow to 50 million, 100 million in a year, if you're part of the first 1,000 licenses that gets in while we're small, we're not only going to give you a lot more attention than the later people, but the opportunity is never going to be there again. So I decided to start out the 100 pre-sale licenses at $2,500 a pop. As you can see, I mean, in 2 years, even with really high commission, this did $1.2 million. So don't ask for a discount or anything less than $2,500. That's a steal. After the first 100 licenses, we're doubling the price to $5K, and then it's going to $10K after that. So get in while you can at the $2,500 price point. We're going to be running massive marketing campaigns in the crypto space. So if you're part of the profit sharing licenses, I mean, I can't really tell you too much because I don't want to say something I'm not supposed to say without my lawyers here. But this is a massive opportunity to run a trading business, not only making money as a professional trader, trading prop firms. We're also opening up opportunities for you to earn massive amounts of money off of referring others into Oasis AI if you're part of that first season. So the first season is going to have 100 pre-sale spots at $2,500 and 900 slots at $5K. We're going to give the pre-sale slots extra bonuses that aren't fully hashed out yet until our lawyers come back to us with the final verdict. But there will be extra benefits. I can promise you of that. And for the remaining 900 licenses at 5K, those are also going to have extra benefits. But Season 2 and Season 3 licenses are going to be completely different, and the opportunity will no longer be there, and the price will be 4 times what it is now. So $2,500 to make 100K plus this year. Would you take me up on that offer, yes or no? If it's yes, click the link below, get onboarded, make the payment, and we will get you set up, and you will be one of the original OG beta testers of Oasis AI. Right now, I've only honestly shared this with my friends that are using this because I didn't want to give it away. Honestly, working with a hedge fund or money manager, I could get 50K plus per license. Like, I've in contact with financial advisors with over $1 billion under management. And really, that would be the way to go to make the most money off of this. But I really wanted to make this available to people that were like me 4 years ago when I only had $150 in my bank account. And my life was transformed by my entrepreneurial journey, trading, investing in crypto, and buying real estate. So I like to give back to those that, are behind me and struggling. And if you're in a place where you're making anywhere from 5 to 20K a month, you want to ratchet that up to the next level. Maybe you're, at a dead-end job where you're only making 2 or 3K, like I was when I started out. Then it's very crucial and important that you take the right action at the right time. And while these licenses are $2,500, I'm not making any exceptions once we're at 5K. So if your funds are limited and you have the $2,500, or you can borrow it or get a credit card, 0 APR credit card, get in while you can. We have a full guarantee on these licenses. There's no risk to you. If you don't get funded within a 100K account, we're going to give you 100% of your money back. And we might even add a extra little chunk of money on top that we pay you out if we don't get you funded, because this is fully guaranteed. I'm 100% confident in getting you funded, but I don't want to give this away to everyone, to be honest. I don't want to have a bunch of people in my community using my bot and my AI that don't have the right mindset and have a loser mindset. This community, our community, Oasis AI, is a community of winners that are going to win and do whatever it takes to make money and succeed in trading, life, and business. We're going to help you sculpt your mind as a trader and your strategies to make more money than you have ever imagined. Doing all this without you even having to know how to trade will definitely teach you how the strategies work, so you have an idea of what you're getting into and have confidence in the strategy. But I built this for myself to trade for me, beating out all the other strategies in the world while I'm not even at my computer, because I honestly wanted a business where I have time freedom and I can travel wherever I want to travel and do the things I want to do without being bound by time. So I want the same thing for you. Click the link below in the description, and we will see you on the other side.